Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most exciting tools in artificial intelligence, Gemini Image Generation using Google Gemini AI. With the latest Gemini 2.5 Flash model, Google has introduced an advanced image editor that allows you to upload your own photos and transform them into something completely new, just by giving simple text prompts. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the complete process, from signing in to Gemini, to uploading images, and finally to editing them with creative prompts. Even if you are a beginner, you will be able to follow along easily. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because by the time we finish, you will know exactly how to create stunning image edits and unique visuals for your own projects, social media posts, or just for experimenting with AI. First, let's take a quick look at some of the images that Gemini AI can generate. As you can see, the results are extremely impressive. Gemini can change clothing colors, add accessories, modify facial expressions, insert text, and even combine multiple images together into one. The possibilities are endless, and we are going to try out all of these in this video. To begin, open your browser, search for Gemini AI in Google, and click on the official link. Once the page opens, sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have one, you can quickly create it for free. After signing in, you will be taken to the Gemini dashboard, where you can start creating. Click on the plus icon and then select Upload Files. Choose an image from your computer, click on Open, and wait for it to upload. Once the image is ready, you can type a prompt describing what you want Gemini to change. For example, let's try something simple. Type, change the shirt color to bright red, and click the Submit button. After a short wait, Gemini processes the request and gives you a brand new version of the image. Notice how realistic the shirt looks in its new color without any manual editing. Let's try another example. This time, type Write Vision Academy on the shirt in bold white text, and click Submit. Within a few seconds, the text appears on the shirt as if it was actually printed there. This feature is excellent for creating branding materials, mock-ups, or custom designs. Now let's make things more fun. Type, change the facial expression to a surprised look, and submit it. The AI quickly adjusts the character's face, giving them a surprised reaction. This shows how well Gemini understands human expressions and how it can alter subtle facial features realistically. We can also add accessories. Type, add black stylish sunglasses to the person, and click Submit. After a moment, the character now has perfectly fitting sunglasses added to their face. Let's edit the background. Type, add glowing neon text in the background that says Vision Academy. Wait for a few seconds, and you'll see an eye-catching neon effect added behind the character. This kind of edit is perfect for posters, digital art, and YouTube thumbnails. Gemini can even create more advanced edits involving multiple people. For example, type, make Donald Trump shake hands with the character, and submit. The AI generates a completely new image, blending the two characters together naturally. Here's another one. Type, show Angelina Jolie holding the shoulder of the character. And wait for Gemini to process it. Again, you'll see how realistically Gemini places the celebrity into the scene. Now let's take it a step further and try combining multiple images. Upload 3 pictures, one of a woman, one of a dog, and one of a sofa. Once they are uploaded, type the prompt, the character is hugging a dog while sitting on a sofa, and click Submit. Gemini processes all 3 images and merges them into one single realistic picture. This feature is especially useful for storytelling, creative collages, and concept art. We can also change outfits completely. For example, type, make the character wear a black leather jacket, and submit it. Within seconds, the person is styled in a leather jacket, which looks as if they were wearing it originally. For the final example, let's create something cinematic. Upload an image of your character and type, character facing a laptop with golden light shining from the screen, surprised expression, and text vision academy glowing. After a short wait, the AI creates a stunning dramatic image that looks like a movie poster. Once you're happy with the results, you can download the image directly to your computer. These images can then be used for your videos, social media posts, or even for commercial projects depending on the usage rights. And that's it. This is how you can use Google Gemini AI image editor with the Gemini 2.5 Flash model to generate and edit images step by step. We explored everything from simple color changes and facial expressions, to accessories, background edits, combining multiple images, and creating cinematic effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Vision Academy, and press the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.